Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert a logo or custom stamp in your PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now select this review option and here you will find this stamp option. Click on this down arrow and this is normal stamp and featuring, and here you will find this manage stamp option. Click here. You can create and type your logo stamp name and select an image or file and select this browse option and open from your folder. I'll insert this one and see this. You can see this stamp opacity, size and so on. Now select OK and close. Again go on this stamp down arrow and say this is your custom stamp and put it here. Select increase decrease this stamp size. Yeah, this is. In this way you can insert your company stamp or logo image in your PDF file. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.